Here I've got INFINIX Zero free, and let me show you how to activate LED notifications on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display, so it's the first possibility under device, and then click on LED reminder lights. And here just check once you want to have LED notification active, so once your device is charged you can turn it on or off smoothly by marking. So if you'd like to activate it for notifications, just make sure that it is marked. Then missed calls, also record, anything, just check it and then mark those that you would like to apply and pick whenever you would like your screen to be lighted. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can personalize notifications in your device in your INFINIX Zero free. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.